Mr. Forstead, the school seems to be doing well the past few years. We always see new developments on the campus, and it seems that the school is always moving forward. How do you manage to do that financially?
Dennis, a long time ago we decided that we would have a new plan for every year. If you don't have a new plan and you don't move forward, even if you move forward by a few centimeters, it's good, because if you stand still, people who go slowly will go past you. And we really and truly believe that we should be the best school in South Africa. And we work hard to try and maintain that, so that people can look up to us and say we should try and emulate Grey. We don't want to emulate other people. We maintain a very good school, and you can see it in the grounds, you can see it in the facilities, through various funds that we have at the school, like the Bram Fischer Trust and the Grey College Bloemfontein Trust and the Jock Meyering Trust. Those things are very important to the school because it helps us through tough times. Like do you want me to mention those funds now?
Yes, I'd like you to please mention.
Want to ask another question?
No, you're welcome to give us more detail about these funds.
Okay. The Bram Fischer Trust was started by Mr. Nelson Mandela when he was still President of South Africa in 1997. And that fund is specifically used to get boys who would otherwise not be able to afford it to come to Grey, to indeed come to Grey, especially boys with leadership potential. Mr. Patrick Lakota assisted us very much in starting that fund to get these people here. And we do things through that fund, among others like the APSA Academy, where we teach boys from lesser privileged schools during holidays. We channel that through the Bram Fischer Trust Fund. The Grey College Bloemfontein Trust Fund is the fund to which Old Greys or parents can contribute, and we use that money for various things on the school grounds, like new buildings, like new facilities. The other thing that we use for these specific developments is the Jock Meyering Trust Fund, which is that vendor, and the only thing inside that Jock Meyering Trust is College Crossing, College Square, all the developments there. We use that money to build a new pavilion or to help us fund the museum, and then of course the reunion helps us to fund those things. Grey College?